too much GH. We did that say Japan. A break PM person TV. Me share too much GH. The move for. Hey, almost sports and as entertainment. Hey, the move for. Munko so show mo. No anybody de bia. Madam I say love you.
Sonko and Koma Moshe Messabre, Tuma GH, ye fidi Cassie, so a case capa, any medina, Gano Wahala Jumedi, and a bread as a semide, ever so much for any eti for Danny that said, I can't edit him to my day. We are your #1 loyal and credible channel, your woho, Eddie Mamo Abre, any Abribiana, and net day, dear, and some ababe pimo, a womapuno, so ASM. You see, the or the Serdia at to Supreme Court and him say, yeah, one more mass and a crampon and from so ever more and ya dear say, affected a final results. No say our math error didn't affect final results and nothing which you manage to say, beya and Supreme Court. One more enshena ye mampenyi dada John Dramani Mahama nensema wo mode ababe piem wo hono no wo mu embo emfa entu engu ne sansem enni enyina so ebia na ebusua form say na ensem no anasa dialogue no ekoye na mama menkenkan emfa emamo ye mame isi penyi boss Jimensa ni response to no man as a petition akwako piemo was Supreme Court no say na wodene nsem no etu eja was saying the election management notwithstanding all the resources and training deployed at the facilities put in place, there is a possibility of minor discrepancies as a result of computational and mathematical errors made in the course of the collation of the results, but they did not have a material effect on the overall results as declared. We any someone what they to a journey no na what you more say instead of 13,443,507 our bear announce say yeah na any valid none later on buy yeah back 13,121 111 our day ebe to a journey Mahama was aware saying that 13 and a BM no 434,574 no it was an error na yeah mama and I say easy a first respondent na say and I didn't say no and so it was saying first respondent says that the petition ought to be dismissed also because the petitioner does not challenge the validity of the election conducted through the 38,622 polling station and the 311 special voting centers in the country or contest the lawfulness of votes obtained by any of the parties of the election. The petitioner has failed to indicate the exact number of votes and percentages that he or the other candidates ought to have obtained in comparison to the number of votes and percentage declared by the first petitioner. Rising a preliminary legal objection to the petition as being incompetent and not, as required by Article 64(1) of the Constitution of Rule 68(1) of the Supreme Court Rule 1996 C-116, as amended, amounting to the challenges of the validity of presidential election conducted by the first respondent on the 7th of December. I therefore pray the petition and all the grounds in support thereof be summarily dismissed by this honorable court for the disclosing any reasonable course of action. The EC response pray to the court. We any say ya mami EC nensama womo edikoko to Supreme Court any matter say wo pray say petition on grounds ne support ne de keka ye won and dismiss all honorable court na womo disclose unreasonable causes of action be ababia because say mathematics na anka wo collation centers na de keka ho a no enkyere say ni declaration so wo yi mampanyi na nadodan kwa ekufu ado say wo no na mampanyi a wo bedi wo man Ghana so no na say eno so entro se de bi eno nko ade no kuretrodo na wo de atu dwaneti we de chopa na say ade say de no de beto court na nim sem say NDC amanyoko na say wo mo petition o mo de ababeto no so wo mo ntimi emfa wo mo percentage a wo mo susu say wo mo enya ye no mmatu edwa ediam ene na wo besere court ne say wo ntwitwa enwomemu na wo mo hu ne de wo mo ebeye because ono de the declaration I will make in public no na accurate one enya dey say mistakes e cause collation center no e be e cause so e declaration of presidency no emu enuti wo de nsem ato edwa na ebusuan for case no will be held in January 14th and a judgment is expected to be delivered by 10th February we NHS and somewhere day ababeto yapno so from yenuanom Ghana web mo nsema wo mode abetu edwa no na ebusuan for wo hwe yi sine nsema wo de etu edwa ya wo de ababeto abontin ya then obetimi aka ede afa so wo mo mass na enka na chese affect final results na no ntina wo be yan say court no ebetwitwa ensem no odi ntwefa ho sem fabra Tuma comment section like videos na share all the social media platforms so Ekescapa enemy Macram.
The major prophet kum chacha on say me catch was say bomoden na hwe too much GH on say me kan ye nyene bone pa na kase epe wo wi ase ya asonde nti na Adam wo hu nyame ye no nyam no wo hu ne ma bi a wo hwehwehwehwe e wo other place ne ade cat won na bomoden na be hwe too much GH be hwe na subscribe bomoden o be hwe pe na why subscribe o subscribe subscribe na subscribe na o subscribe a na wo benya ne yama papa a wo pe ahwe nyame hira na
me dey Isaac Odwampo obetun afem the great ampo mbrembrem wonu me nka mo ne hwe too much G8 mo ye too much na me so me ye am fire
too much GH. Many have come and many have gone, but you are a great Kankambuka ability worth being beheld by every optical nerves. That saith the papacy.
Keep watching Too Much GH and you get the best of entertainment, the best of everything you want.
My name is Ohima One. Keep watching Too Much GH. It's the best.
Keep watching Too Much GH.